Okay, so I'm here at Avon. It's in Cleveland. So this is their supercharger here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 supercharger. Came here 10 minutes ago. So I grabbed my coffee. Let me see how much did it charge. So 222 miles. I came here on 50 or 60 miles, I guess. So the only thing it's you'll feel a difference is I'm getting 270 kilowatt here, right? So the price for charging is very affordable here. I was if I'm in New York, it's very expensive, or maybe higher than Pennsylvania or Ohio State. So I got 160 miles plus for $5. So that means for $10 you can easily have like $300. So like you can charge your full car for $10, and for within $10, like from Western New York to New York City is 300 something miles. So you can go like whole your trip for $10. $10 to come back. Not bad, very affordable. And it's so there is no car at charging, so that's why I guess it's good for me. All the charging power comes to my car, and I'll be leaving this place within 5-7 minutes. But overall, wherever we go, I'm just in this time period, I'm feeling that there are a couple issues people will face for these chargers, because mostly when I was coming from Syracuse, there was a charging station was at a casino, and when I reached there, the casino was closed because COVID-19, and then they had their own security on the parking lot, and they said, oh, you can't park here, you can't use the charging. And if you don't have enough charging, so the next charging station maybe is coming in 60, 70, 80 miles, and you left like 20-30 miles, you scoot up. So that's why before going to these places, I guess Tesla needs to improve a little bit more updates about these charging stations, that where if that charging station is open or accessible, because like I told you, at the casino it was not it wasn't on. So the only thing I could do was just drive literally very under speed limit. Speed limit was 65. I was going on 50 on highway, and because I knew if I was on 65 I wouldn't be able to make it. So I was driving on 50 miles per hour, and it took me a little bit more time, but I reached to the next destination, and then I charged my car there. That was also in the mall. So, and I was thinking, if mall is close to, and then they have their security there, what's gonna happen? Like how I'm gonna charge my car then? So that's the only issue. If you have these charging cars, and you travel a lot, you don't have you don't get, like, at least if you get 400 miles, then you can easily, but if you are getting 250 miles on your range, or 270, because you don't charge like 100% unless you are doing a long trip. So that's what I was thinking, that I only need to figure out that where exactly you're charging your car, and if that spot is not open, then it might will take forever to charge your car on regular outlet. So if you guys have any better idea, like how you can charge your car So let me know. And this is the gas station, so they are using this gas station spot for charging too. So I guess they are paying to the gas station. It's not they are still getting money, for putting these charging station here. So all right, so for time being, I guess that was it, and I'll see you in the next video.